Whenever you have any tech related problems, feel free to post on our Facebook community. We will guide and assist you to solve your problem for absolutely free. All you have to do is that share a video or a snapshot of your problem. To join our Facebook community, check out the link in the description box. Hello, what's up guys? Today in this quick video, I'm gonna guide you to fix very simple problem that you might come across while using KAPWING online video editing website. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the solution. Well, I was downloading edited video. I come across to the very simple problem that is failed formatting. As you can see here guys, in my screen, I'm having this issue. Basically, it tells that the problem we are facing is that we are not able to convert the video into MP4 format. By the end of this video, you will know how to convert video into MP4 format or how to download video in MP4. To download video in MP4, you don't need any special tools or plugin. You need only simple. It is very simple. You need to go to the download file option to download MP4 format. Isn't it cool guys? If yes, then please let me know in the comment section.